Yo, the pops are getting louder, man. I don't know if the packing in my exhaust is falling apart, but it's showing up getting louder though. Trucks out here. What are they doing? What is up, y'all? I'm on my way to get this bumper. I'm going to be converting the rear and the front end to a 2012 and newer, since I can't get the Aspec kit at all. So let's go. Damn, Corolla. 80 bucks. Not bad. He was selling the front piece, the whole front, everything for $150, man. I missed out on that one. Sheesh. That's alright, next time though. Finally got the grill cleaned up. Kind of. You don't see any more of those odd color, because I filled it in with the Acura paint, which I have right here. This works okay. It's kind of hard to it's like painting your nails kind of, but the car it's kind of hard, but it works for now. From afar you can't really tell, but up close you can see those like pimples, man, all over the place. This is what I just picked up, guys. You can tell this box has been sitting for a while. Look at all this dust on it. Just picked up the rear lip kit. Again? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That little foam thing, scratch remover, perfect. I love this tow hook license plate. It works really well. I mean, it won't even budge. By the way, it's 94 degrees in here. It's so hot. I got myself a 2012 Acura TL rear bumper. I got this for a really good deal. It came with the center garnish and both reflectors. Basically I can just slap it on right now, but as you can see it's not painted. And I also got the rear Aspec kit. Brand new, guys. It's brand spanking new. I believe, okay, that's the right side. That would be sick, man. But to be honest though, I really like the Aspec kit for the 09s through 2011. For especially the rear looks really aggressive and nice. So I'm thinking about selling all this because one of my subscribers, what's his name? Jaren Zavonsak. Sorry if I said your name wrong, but he told me to go to this website, and I called them, and they do have the Aspec kit for my car, and they actually make it on order. Only issue is the Aspec kit that they sell is so pricey. So it's $3.99 for the front lip, I think it's $5.99 for the rear, or maybe $6.50. I forgot. Shipping. I think the shipping is like $275. So I'm paying like way over $1,000. But I think it's worth it, guys. So I'm gonna sell this little set right here. I'm gonna sell the rear bumper. I'm gonna sell this brand new Aspec kit for the 2012 and newer TL, and hopefully I can get some money out of these so that way I can put it onto the Aspec kit for this car, for the 09 through 11 Aspec kit. So shout out to that guy, man. He really I would have got this painted, but to be honest, I would have paid like almost $800 just to get this painted and the whole rear setup right here. I know I've already got it. I could just get this painted right now and I can slap it on and be done with. But I really like the, like I said, that Aspec kit, so I can get that. Also, another thing, for when I do order it online, it's going to come unpainted, so I have to get it painted. So that's probably like another $350. So it's gonna be an expensive trip, guys. So Aspec kit is coming, guys. I kind of want to just put this on and be done with it. But man, I'm telling you that Aspec kit for this model TL, it is so nice. Looks really good. That is the update for now. The car is no longer burning oil. I change my oil like every 30 or 40%, because I have like 93,000 miles on it now, and 30-40% oil changes I think is perfect. I don't want to wait till like 15% because I feel like it may burn oil again, so I don't want to risk it. So I want to keep this car like forever. Because to be honest, once I start making money off of YouTube, all the money's gonna go to the TL. Like, I'm just gonna build it up, guys, and keep you guys posted, man. Damn, guys, that shit cleaned up really well. Not bad, not bad. Still some scratches there, but look, guys, I know it's getting dark. I hope you can see that. It's kind of hard to visualize it on, but that's what I would kind of look like being on, guys. I figure before I sell it, maybe see what it looks like with it. Kind of visualize it, maybe. All right, everybody. I got this here squat rack. Somebody's on their way to come look at it. I'm gonna sell this so I can put it towards the body kit for the TL, guys. Because that body kit is not cheap. Just like that, guys. I sold the squat rack, 80 bucks. All right, guys, check it out. Acura TL body kit. I got the AC-024-KT, that's the part number, and that's for the front and rear lip kit. I ordered to Sorona. So the guy that on my YouTube channel that commented where to get them, they actually still make them to order. So I ordered it, and this is the price, guys. Whoo, 1,000. Anyways. So I got my money back from Accelerate because they're taking forever. So I'd rather put my money on something I can get now. And once they get their exhaust system back in stock again, I will purchase it. But for now, let's focus on the body kit. That is the update for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys subscribing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to make this channel grow. And peace, guys.